Can't believe it came.
Doesn't look dented, so that's a good sign.
Yeah. Thank you guys. It's gorgeous.
It's here.
All right, so we just got our stove. It's gorgeous. It's perfect. We did not think it was coming because there's like a huge appliance shortage going on. And so we bought appliances thinking maybe we'll get them. And that actually came, one of them. We got 2 more coming, so we'll see if they come.
Yeah, we had to order the stove from Lowe's and then the dishwasher and refrigerator from Best Buy. So that's how we...
According to like who had it sort of in stock.
Yeah.
It was a mess. And so we got the stove. We'll see if we get the other ones. We're just hoping.
But also today, someone's coming in the evening to buy our entire old kitchen from us. Countertops, cabinets, appliances, everything. So...
Yeah, I listed the cabinets on Facebook Marketplace and someone reached out and said, hey, are you selling anything else like appliances or whatever? And I said, yeah, we're kind of trying to get rid of the whole lot. I just haven't listed it yet. And he asked me my price and he wanted to talk to Jamie on the phone. So they talked for a little bit and was super pumped. He's putting him in a new house, right?
Yeah. So that's going to leave us without a kitchen for a while. As you guys know, in order to finish our hardwood floors, we need to first install them all completely and then sand them down and finish them. So we can't start installing the new kitchen until the old kitchen's gone and the floors are done. So today we're not only going to rip out the entire old kitchen, but we're going to try to set up a makeshift kitchen for you guys. We
for
don't
them.
know. Well, for us, yeah. Yeah, for us, not really for you guys. But we thought we'd bring you along on the journey because we don't exactly know how we're going to do it yet.
Let's figure this out.
All right. What do we need those for?
I have to pack up my new house. So the kitchen we unpacked temporarily, so I have to pack everything back up so that we can move the kitchen. But I ran out of boxes, so we gotta get some boxes to pack up our kitchen.
What you thinking?
Well, hey, what's up?
Tub and faucet kit.
Well, how much do you think it is?
$179.
We're looking at a wash basin to wash dishes. We're probably gonna do paper plates, but we need to wash our pans and stuff. So, on their website, they had one for $54.
Yeah, I'm not seeing it. $179.
Oh, this one says $89.
Oh, question is,
Can we do without?
can we do without? How fast can you finish the floors? What's our timeline? What?
2 weeks, but then we gotta put cabinets in. You gotta do the plumbing, electrical.
Yikes.
So we're not getting the wash basin?
Nope.
A different Lowe's has one, so if we get desperate, we can always go there. But the problem is the sink in our camper, the drain's not hooked up yet. So otherwise we could use that, but we bought this house before I could finish the Airstreams. You can
Comment
see
below if you think we're a mess.
considering.
So our camper fridge is like a tiny mini fridge, and I have to have on me at all times 2% milk and whole milk, and it would be so obnoxious to have to buy like a tiny milk like every day.
I know.
So we might just get this for the garage.
Really?
And then just keep it or sell it when we're done.
What could we sell it for, you think?
I don't know.
Probably at least $250.
You think?
Oh yeah, if you keep it nice, right?
Yeah, that's
I mean, it's
true.
brand new, so like.
Yeah, and then I would pay $100 to not have to like constantly go grocery shopping every other day. Oh, I don't want to spend $350 today though on this. What should we do? All our popsicles, ice cream.
See, this wouldn't be an issue if the guy coming to take our kitchen wasn't taking our fridge as well, but.
Yeah, but he is. I don't know. This
See,
is a good deal, but it's still $350. If we can sell it, I think we should get it. Or we could keep it for like our garage fridge. People have garage fridges. Came in for a wash basin, leaving with a mid-sized fridge. Let's go.
help? You're a master fridge mover, I think.
Thank you, thank you.
Flooring, more flooring, unpacked mess. Yikes.
Pretty sweet.
Pumped about our purchase.
Yeah.
Look how many gallons of milk I can fit in there.
Right there, in the door.
Girls love milk.
Alright. Let's see what we got here.
Hey, good
Alright.
work.
I'm gonna need your help with this one, I think. Woo. It's heavy. Here, now let go.
Okay.
Just leave it. Come on. We gotta open this door now. Alright, stand up.
Yep.
So, you wanna go straight out with it?
Yeah.
We're trying to demo carefully since we're selling these cabinets, where usually we just smash stuff out. These are nice enough to sell, so it's a little more tricky. Well, it takes a little longer,
Yes.
but we're getting there.
How's your cheek?
It's alright, I keep smashing my fingers.
Yeah.
An outlet in this cabinet, so I have my little tester here. I think I'm safe. Alright, we're gonna cut the wires now. Ready? Just kidding.
Such a dad.
Alright, this one
There's
should be-
plumbing in these cabinets?
No, well, yeah, in the sink.
Oh.
Dishwasher.
Yeah. Oh boy.
Ready? Here.
We got a lot of work ahead of us. Guys come in at 6:30 to get these?
Yeah, it's 1 right now, so.
Oof. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh. The wire!
Here we go.
This is the strangest island I've ever seen.
Very strange. This is a corner cabinet they had in the middle. Very strange. Look how much bigger in here it looks without the island. Wow.
It's gonna make a great sunroom. Oh! You okay?
Need your help.
All right, bye. Taking the door off
Why?
so that I can unscrew this from this.
All right.
You okay? How's it going?
Pretty good. We're on the hardest section here with the heavy L-shaped countertop and all the plumbing and ductwork. So I just got the dishwasher out and I'm working myself this way.
When's the guy coming?
Like in an hour. So
Yikes.
we'll get it though.
So moving all of my food into here. Pastas, smoothie stuff, snacks. Where did all this food come from? All right. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and they expire in 5 days. So it's also summer. Yikes. Someone help me. What should I do? Actually, first person to tell me what I can make, what recipe I can do with all this, wins something. Why do I always feel like we got no food? Look at all this food. Oh yeah.
Pizza.
Thank you. Yum. Fridge. Prep station. Perfect. Got my like spices and oils in here. Flour, microwave, air fryer, fridge. Yep. And then grill over here. Pizza man. Uh-oh. All right, and then the kitchen continues in here. Got all my food. Food. And then another fridge, which has like fruit and things in it, not too much. And a freezer with nothing. Coffee, dining table, / mess. So this is what we're working with. Here's our stove for when we cook things, you know. Not too often, but it does happen. And that's the rounds. Washing dishes.
Baby tub?
Yep, so this is Ruby's baby tub because at our old house we didn't actually have a bathtub. So I bought this like collapsible baby tub to put in the shower, and I would like fill it, and yeah. So this is now our sink because we didn't want to spend $150 on a wash tub at Lowe's, and it works fine. So I just put my dirty dishes in here, and I'm just a washing.
So, quick reminder that this room is going to be the new sunroom. So this is where our old kitchen was, like our fridge or stove. But we are going to be putting in a mini like kitchenette here. You know, with a fridge, pool stuff, pool snacks. I'm hoping to get like bubble water on tap. So, still going to be kind of a little kitchenette. With cabinets all along this wall, and then some boho-y more sunroom-like stuff. And then our kitchen is in this room. So we got our stove. We're just waiting on the rest of our appliances, and then obviously Jamie has to move some plumbing around and I don't know, gas, other things. We'll probably hire a contractor for that. And then we need to get our cabinets in here so that we can order countertops, but she's coming along nicely. Look at that. This will be kind of like a pantry of sorts probably, because we have another coat closet right here. So, and then I plan to make this dining room really like moody and kind of funky and fun. So, but I want to have a longer big table because we've always had like smaller tables, and I want to be able to host and have big dinner parties. So it's looking good. Look at that gorgeous wood. Oh, look at this piece. Oh, so pretty. Obviously, when you sand it, all this stuff comes off. That's just some like excess glue, I think. Pretty awesome. Jamie and I debate about these diamond windows a lot because there's a lot of them in the house, but some of them are square. And then like you go over here, and you have some more diamond windows. There's some upstairs too. I like them. I think that they're kind of Tudor style-esque, but Jamie thinks that there's too many of them and they really easily pop out. So we might be replacing some of them and going square and then keeping some diamond. Let us know in the comments below what you guys think. We're kind of going back and forth on keeping the aesthetics of the Tudor, but also wanting it to be modern. So should we keep some of them? Should we get rid of all of them? What do you guys think? This wall is going to be a new wall here. And then that will make our mudroom a lot bigger, or our laundry room / mudroom. So this will be like 2 or 3 feet wider. So that'll be a really nice coming in area from the garage. 6:30 p.m. We're at it again. There you go. Get that baby clean.
My drain got plugged with leaves, so stop backing the rest of it out.
Happy Father's Day.
Yes, happy Father's Day.
Alright guys, we got our liner in yesterday. You can kind of tell it's still filling up. It's been going for about 24 hours now. Takes a long time to fill up a pool, but it's looking good. Jamie went and looked at pink boat paint for our slide. So might do that, that would be fun. But this thing's getting ready to swim in. Got a little soaking spot over there. They put that in originally. It's kind of fun. There's little jets and stuff. Nice big step area. I love this pool. Jamie's like the most beautiful diver in the world. I can't wait to watch him dive off of that, and I'm planning on learning myself. So, and then over here is our gazebo you guys saw in our last video. That whole project, pretty fun. We've been using it every day for sure. Grass is starting to come back in. And then here's our still kind of a mess of a yard, but we're getting there. We're gonna take all this out. This is gonna be like a new big platform, like a rectangle instead of jagged. And then there's gonna be stairs up here, platform, stairs up to that, platform. So all of this will kind of be gone. And then it'll just be one giant kind of overlooking deck overlooking the pool this way and our view. So, and then lots of grass areas still. So, and then that water fountain actually works. That's a feature. But we need to clean it out, and I think there's a hole in it. But it does actually work. So, and then eventually we'll get new siding, and we definitely need new windows eventually, but well, we won't get new siding. I shouldn't say that. We'll be painting it because it's like a beigey yellow right now. We want to go more of the creams and the browns or the tans. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We are about to use our pool for the very first time. Jamie is cleaning it. If you guys remember, it was super green. We got a new liner and whoo, it looks good. Jamie's got to fix the slide still because it's not hooked up, but she's looking real good. Oh, sorry. Hello. Next, we are headed inside to finish sanding and staining the floors. We got a lot of stuff coming up, but we are going to be enjoying this all summer long. So we'll see you guys next time.